Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Trading / Simpler Central / Chart Pattern Mastery free video. What's today about? It's about research. It's about historical tendencies. And I can't impress enough on how important historical tendencies are to finding trades. Now, it's not perfect. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect. But I want to show you this graphic. So this is from Bloomberg. Basically what it's showing in here is option expiration day for the triple witching since 1982. That the day of expiration, a tremendous amount of times is down. And the week after is almost always down. Amazingly. So if you go into here and you see 2012 was down, and you look and you realize that the last 11 years, the market on expiration day has been down every day but one. Every day but one. The week after, look at this historical tendency. It's incredible on how many times you've been down. But that doesn't help you today. The market's gapped up. And they stayed up. But if you can combine it with charts and tendencies, you have a very powerful thing going on. So I want to show you on how we did it. So basically, we didn't go on betting for tomorrow. We didn't go on betting on the opening today because you would have gotten hosed. We did this. We went into Thinkorswim and we went to the SPX. So we're talking about trading today. We're talking about trading end-of-day options. End-of-day options. So I want you to realize that on a 15-minute chart, finally, the S&P had sort of broken a trend line. Not a big one. That's why we played the 10th of the SPX, the XSP. But I want you to see that. So the second thing in here is to look at the historical tendencies on the last 30 minutes before September triple witching, going back a number of years. It's a real eye-opener. So we're going to take a 2-minute chart. You see on how we sold off the last 2 minutes. Yep, we were long the XSP put spreads. So we bought them at 18 cents. They closed at 64 cents. We made 400%. Very exciting. As you see, it's a little dicey with about 2 minutes to go, but it worked. Now, why were we more confident? Because of this. We're going to go back. This is the last 30 minutes, right in this zone, right in here. Now what we're going to do is take the rewind function on Thinkorswim. And what we're going to do is go back a number of years, not the last day of the month. We're talking now tomorrow. There'll be a ton of historical tendencies, and we're going to trade them tomorrow. No doubt. But this is the first thing I want to show you. The day before triple witching, what happened the last half hour? The last hour, it sold off. What happened the last 2 minutes? It sold off. Yep, that's not a one-off. Thursday of triple witching. How about last year? What happened the Thursday of triple witching? It sold off. Yeah, the last half hour, it sold off. And you can go back for years, and the last half hour sold off almost every year. That's why we were more confident, but we were also combining something like that. So just keep in mind that trend line, and now take this year, and there's that trend line. And it worked. That's how we made 400%. Hope you like this video. Tomorrow, there's going to be a lot of historical tendencies, from how to trade Apple with any kind of rebalance, how to trade Amazon, how to trade Nvidia. Should be exciting. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.